Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, I already created our create page. In our category, there is a create page. So now I want to create our another page for our category portion as a edit. So the edit page right now, it should be look like our just create page. Okay, so if you go to these positions here, I already created another page as an edit. So this page will be just look like our create. So right now I just copy whole things from here, and also here extend that admin master, and there is actually the content part. So here I just paste it. Okay, so here I paste it, and better understanding I just defining as edit page. Okay, I just define that as edit page, and this one will be our create page. I just define that create page. Okay, so for now I just copy all things from our create and I paste it in our edit.plate, and now I just click on the save all. Now we have to create one of the route for this edit. So now go to this position, and here better I just copy it, and here I just paste it. Okay, and into this position, first of all, here there would be the category and the edit. So here I define that edit, and also I have to create one of the method in our category controller. So here I just define one of the method as edit. So now I have to create this edit method in our this controller, that means the category controller. So here it should be just same. So I just copy it, and here I just paste it. So now our method will be the edit. So here I copy it, and here I just define that edit. And for the edit, I already created one of the page in our category as a edit blade. Okay, so in our admin, so admin, and the category, and then our edit. So that is our directory. So here I just define that edit page. Okay, so here I just define that edit, and now if you click on the save all, and now if you want to access that edit, like here I just refresh that page. Now we see that is our create page, and now I want to access the edit page. Now click on the enter. Yes, you can see there is the edit page, and perfectly our edit page is loaded on particular disposition. So step by step we will do a lot of the things. We will actually create one of the complete project, and after end of this course I hope you will get a lot of the knowledge that you really want to know. And I also want to create that project with step-by-step process, and first of all you just learn the basic and then apply that things in our real project. So I think that is actually the process. With this you actually get involved in this course. So in our next video I will start a new session. It's about the essential package installation. How can do that work? I will show you that things with the live example. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.